about everything with Marty. Hey guys, how you doing today? Well, I did a little project on my back porch, involved a little bit of painting, so I want to bring that up and show you guys what that looked like. Alright, let's kill this for now. Alright, this is pretty cool. I made this today. I'm just learning how to use the programs too. So this is an attempt. There we go. Alright. Enjoy. I put up there. There's the other one. I'm gonna paint that. And the same thing on the outside. So I'm gonna pour the paint, get it ready. I'll start painting it. Alright, there's the paint. It's pretty good paint. And there's the tray. It's kind of hard to pour the paint into the tray and do the videoing, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour the paint in the tray, and I'll come back when you're done. Alright, there it is. We got some paint in the tray there. Got a brush. There's the lid. There's the paint. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid back on while I'm painting because there's bugs in it. Keep the dust out and that sort of thing. Anyways, there's the area. I'm gonna get some paint on it. Oh, the roller. I chose a 4-inch roller because it's just a little area to do. I don't think it's gonna take too much. Alright, I'll get started on that and I'll show you in a minute. Alright, I started the painting. It's pretty good hide. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and paint it. And yeah, see how, and then I'll have to go outside and do the other side as well. Okay. Alright, you guys, got a coat on it now. It looks good. Then I'm going to go outside. Journey to the other side of the wall. Back is in really focused. Jump in the back to do this. There it is. Let me paint that one now. What I gotta do next? Here we are, guys. I just went ahead and painted both sides. Go back to inside, one more coat. Alright guys, we're back inside. Yes, that panel, I'm going to give it another coat. I'm going to give it a coat so it matches more like that. That's only one coat anyway. So go ahead and give it a second coat there and splash a coat up there and see how it looks. We'll come back, that panel cleaned up pretty good. Side got done pretty good. Job done. There you go, guys. Yeah, I just was playing around with the iMovie thing today, and yeah, I thought the iMovie thing was pretty cool. So I did a little paint job on the back porch. Those panels were repair panels. The other ones were not worthy. Anyways, they got replaced. It's painted now. It'll withhold the winds and stuff, so I'm glad about that. I hope you liked my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.